Guys, today we've got something very important to talk about because right now Bitcoin is creating a new consolidation phase, but more importantly, a lot of people are about to get wrecked because they are not seeing what kind of a pattern and what kind of a structure Bitcoin is creating next. So make sure to watch this video till the end. It will be extremely important. I will discuss the market structure. I will discuss the big move that is going to be imminent for Bitcoin. And of course, next week we will have another FOMC meeting what will spike a lot of volatility back in towards the market. So make sure to get ready for this important update video. Don't forget to slap up that like button. Let's smash it back above 600 likes. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So first of all, on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see that we're creating that downward sloping trend line and that upward sloping trend line. And we can clearly see that these two trend lines are about to meet each other once again. And we're expecting that these two trend lines are actually going to come together within the coming 12 hours ahead of ourselves. So within 12 hours from now on, we will be seeing whether we're going to be breaking bullish or whether we're going to be breaking bearish of this significant pattern. If we do experience a bullish breakout, we will probably see more continuations towards the upside. What will be very crucial for me to see whether it's going to be a bullish or bearish breakout is whether we're going to be confirming a break above the previous high in the market or whether we're going to be confirming a break below the previous low in the market. So I will keep my eyes wide open on these two levels right now here. It's going to be the 29.8k and the 28.8k. If we break below support, we're expecting further continuations towards the downside. And if we break above resistance, we're expecting further continuations towards the upside. Be aware, it's currently weekend. So yes, if we are going to create this big move here over the course of the weekend, we will be also creating a huge CME gap, what will probably also once again have a lot of effects in towards the next week of Bitcoin. So yes, I would still be very careful with trading this, but we're about to be experiencing a huge move potentially. But if I will be looking back at history, we do know that every single time Bitcoin comes at this red line, what is the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, we do know there's usually not a lot of volatility before this meeting happens. So maybe it's going to be more likely that we're going to experience sideways price action rather than a big move up or down. Anyways, if I will be looking at the big pattern and a big consolidation for Bitcoin, I want to be looking at this 4-hourly time frame, right? We're creating a gigantic downward sloping trend line, a gigantic upward sloping support line, and basically Bitcoin is consolidating in this very important range right here. And we're expecting to see a big breakout happening anytime soon within the coming 2 weeks for Bitcoin. The bullish breakout will get confirmed, of course, if Bitcoin breaks above the downward sloping trend line, and the bearish breakdown will get confirmed if we break below the support. And how I will be trading this is basically on the retest, not on the breakout, but if we do get a retest of the level, I want to be longing, or if we break down and we get a retest, I want to be shorting it. So this is a very important trend line to be looking at, and you can clearly see we've been trading in an uptrend ever since the beginning of March, and we've also traded in a small downtrend ever since the midpoint of April. So right now we're coming closer and closer towards an endpoint where Bitcoin is really going to make a decision, but for now on we just have to be a little bit more patient to wait and see where Bitcoin is really heading towards next year. You can see on the 4-hour support, there's still big support below us on 28.7k, just like that level right here, 28.7k on the market, right? That is the previous range low on the market together with the 4-hour support. So that is why we'll be looking at that level. If we confirm the break below this level right here, I'm really expecting we're going to go lower. But of course, it's more than likely that we're actually still going to hold on towards that level rather than really fall below it. Furthermore, we can actually see the same pattern getting created on the 12-hour time frame. Bitcoin is just right now creating another consolidation phase. And you can see it on the bigger picture as well. Bitcoin has been going up and moving through this range very quickly. And right now we're creating one of the most gigantic consolidation phases for quite a while right now. And the question really is, which direction are we going to be breaking towards? And this is a pattern you should definitely be watching because yeah, it's on such a big time frame, and that is why probably the consequences of the breakout will be also significantly tradable. And that is why I would recommend for anyone who wants to be trading it to check out Bybit. Bybit is a trading exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and altcoins. And basically, if you sign up an account right now, with using the link in the description, you can actually claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make sure to check it out because without this link, it's only $4,000. So definitely a very nice place to be trading your cryptocurrencies right now here. Furthermore, we can actually see that right now on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, there's still a low volume range below us. I've been saying this for quite a while. So yeah, that's why I will be saying here, if Bitcoin does crash and break below $27,000, I still think $25,000 to $24,000 is a very likely target to be reaching for Bitcoin. Currently, we're running in towards somewhat of volume resistance actually again here. you can clearly see the 30,000 towards $29,000 has been a clear big level of resistance in terms of the volume, and we're retesting it right now, so that makes it actually quite interesting to see that we're currently retesting this level. But right now we are really waiting to see where Bitcoin is going to be breaking out towards next, but it looks to be that we just have to be a little bit more patient before we're going to see that next move happening for Bitcoin. Furthermore, we can see in the daily time frame, Bitcoin still looks to be going parabolic, and the question really is, when are we going to be breaking the parabolic trend, or when are we going to see a more exponential rally for Bitcoin? I've been saying it for quite a while. The first rally was exponential, second one was less exponential, the third one even weaker. What is currently suggesting that we're in a losing momentum structure, what means that currently we could be potentially at the end stage of the parabolica. However, if we of course once again create a more exponential rally towards the upside, things could be shifting around very quickly again. Be aware, Bitcoin is creating a losing momentum structure still on the price action on the daily time frame. Yes, we're seeing a small little bounce here happening, but still on the bigger perspective, we are not necessarily that bullish for Bitcoin right now here in terms of the trend on the daily time frame. The point is really, if we do break the parabolica, that is the point where we should start to worry, and not the point where we are still holding up towards it. So yeah, once we do break it, I will notify everyone out there, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now here. Next week on Wednesday, we're going to have the FOMC meeting. The FOMC meeting will generate a lot of volatility on the market, and like we do know always from the FOMC meetings, there's just a huge volatility spike. Either it's going to be up or down, but one thing is for sure, we're going to get a huge volatile spike here. The last two times the FOMC meeting happened, we actually saw a red candle, and let's see how it's going to be this time around. But usually Bitcoin tends to create a lot of volatility, so make sure to get ready for next week, because also exactly a week later after the FOMC meeting, we're also actually going to get the CPI data, what will of course make up even more volatility on the price chart of Bitcoin. Make sure to get ready for it. I'm extremely excited, and yes, we will be watching this data come in all together this Wednesday, because I will be live streaming the FOMC meeting. Furthermore, we can currently see that the Bitcoin dominance is about to be breaking out, and once the Bitcoin dominance breaks out here, my next price target is going to be 52% here for the Bitcoin dominance, what means that we will be probably seeing a significant surge in Bitcoin dominance, and altcoins are probably not going to perform as strong as Bitcoin is doing right now here. So make sure to get ready for this here. This is very important to pay attention towards right now, and yeah, I will be just keep on monitoring the Bitcoin price action, and of course, as soon as we confirm the breakout here in the weekly time frame, I think that Bitcoin is probably going to see an even further continuation towards the upside. So make sure to get ready for that. And once the Bitcoin dominance is going to be approaching 52%, that is really the point where I want to be starting to scale in towards altcoins again. So make sure to get ready for that one. But anyways, this is it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did learn anything from it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.